Hi friends, in this video I will share 5 tips through which you can speed up your Windows 10 laptop or PC and fix lagging and slow performance issues. Let's get started. Step number 1. Right-click on Taskbar and then click on Task Manager. After that, go to Startup tab. Here it shows you all the programs which starts on your PC or laptop starts. So, disable all the unwanted programs from Startup. Once disable all the unwanted programs from the startup, close the Task Manager and then move to step number 2. Search for View Advanced System Settings and then click on it to open System Properties. Now here click on Settings, which is present under Performance Option. In Performance Options, you need to select Adjust for Best Performance. But to get better looks, you need to tick the following 5 boxes and then click on Apply OK button to save the changes. Once you're done with second step, now move to third step. For that, you need to search for Background Apps and then click on it to open Background Apps Settings. Here you just need to turn off all the background apps running in the Windows background. In the fourth steps, you need to delete all the temporary files from your PC or laptop. For that, open Run or press Win plus R key to open Run. After that, type temp and then click on OK button. First, select all the files and folder and then delete them from this temp folder. Some files can't be deleted, so skip those files. Again, open Run, and this time type %, and then click on OK button. Again, select all the files and folder and then delete them from this folder. Some files can't be deleted, so skip those files. One last time, open Run. This time, type Prefetch, and then click on OK button. If you find any file or folder in this Prefetch folder, then simply delete them all as well. In the last, don't forget to delete those all files and folder from the recycle bin. Now move to fifth step, which is to set virtual memory. For that, search for View Advanced System Settings and then click on it to open System Properties. After that, click on Settings, which is present under Performance Option. In the Performance Options, go to Advanced tab. Here you will see Virtual Memory. You just need to click on Change button to set virtual memory on your disk drive. First, untick the Automatically Manage Paging File Size box. After that, select Drive and then select Custom Size box. Microsoft Official Guideline for adding virtual memory. Custom size for initial and maximum page file sizes. It's generally recommended to set the maximum size to at least 1.5 times the amount of RAM, and ideally no more than 3 times the RAM, to ensure optimal performance. As you see, I have 8 gigabytes installed RAM through this. You can see your installed RAM on PC or laptop. Open up Calculator and then multiple 8 with 1024 to get RAM in megabytes, and then multiple their result with 1.5 to find the initial size in megabytes.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be.
Now find maximum size, multiple 8 with 1024 to get RAM in megabytes, and then multiple their result with 3 to find the maximum size in megabytes.
That has meaning. Are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own.
Once you've done that, click on Set. This will set that amount of your disk space on CI to work as your RAM or virtual memory. You can also do the same with your D or E drive to create more virtual memory size on your disk.
All the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
These are the 5 simple steps through which you can speed up your slow Windows 10 PC or laptop performance. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.